Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so on my screen right now, I am looking at the MQL5 Marketplace page for Chronos Algo EA by Finostar Wararongren School, priced at 159 US dollars, and I can also see there is a launch promotion running that mentions limited copies left before the price increases. Now the version shown here is 1.5, last updated on 17th July 2025, and I can also see it has 5 activations. Now, one of the first things that stands out is that this EA is presented with both MT4 and MT5 versions available. So it is clearly designed to support both platforms, and I would like to keep that constant as I go through the review. Looking at the description, Chronos Algo is built around an EURUSD H1 strategy, and it emphasizes that it has been tested and run on live accounts over multiple years. Okay, starting from 2022. The focus here is clearly on long-term live performance rather than just short-term back testing. Okay, so moving into how the system is designed, the EA uses a multi-indicator confirmation approach, combining tools like Heikin Ashi, MACD, RSI, CCI, and ADX. The idea here is that trades are only triggered when several conditions align at the same time, which helps filter out weaker or low quality signals. Another important part of the system is the dynamic grid money management approach. So from what I can see, if the market moves against an initial position, the EA can add additional positions, but the spacing adjusts based on volatility. So instead of fixed spacing, it adapts depending on market conditions. Now, there is also auto lot sizing, which means trade size is calculated based on account balance. So the system scales automatically depending on the size of the account being used. Then risk control is also mentioned through maximum order limit, all right, which helps prevent overexposure during extreme market movement by capping how many positions can be open at once. Now, moving into the recommended setup section, I can see it is optimized specifically for Euro USD on the H1 time frame, with a preference for low spread ECN or raw spread accounts, and a minimum deposit suggestion of around $1,000. It also mentions that VPS usage is recommended for continuous operation. Now, transitioning into the backtest section, let us first of all look at the backtest results shown here. 2013 to 2034 time frame H1 per Euro USD, initial deposit $1,000, total net profit 107,196.65 total trades 1,846. Short trades were 940 with 77.23% win rate. Long trades were 906 with 76.16% win rate. The largest profit was 10,364.88. Largest loss was 4,585.34. And then the average profit is 140.42 and the average loss is 213.12. So this shows me that the risk to reward ratio on average is bad, but the win rate is good. All right, and considering the fact that the backtest was run over more than 10 years, over 1,800 trades were taken, so it's not surprising to see this total net profit. All right, well, let's just head over to our strategy tester still. to see how the Chronos Algo EA performed over the past 5 months in 2026. All right. So we are using the last ping to the server for our delays. We are testing the EA on EURUSD H1 time frame as recommended. Every tick modeling as well. So let's quickly look at the results. So from an initial deposit of $100,000, total net profit that we are seeing here is $284.04. Total trades taking were just 11. Short trades were 8 with 75% win rate. Long trades were 3, all profitable. The largest profit trade 116.72, largest loss 16.83, average profit 34.49, and the average loss 13.21. So this shows me that the average risk to reward ratio is quite amazing, right? It's okay, it's good actually. So when you put that win rate side by side with the risk to reward ratio, it's not surprising to see a positive total net profit, even though that is just a little compared to the initial deposit, but only 11 trades we are taking, right? So what I'm observing here is how the system behaves across different market conditions over time, trending phases, ranging environments, and higher volatility periods. So instead of focusing on individual trades, I want to look at the overall structure of how the EA manages entries and additional positioning during drawdown phases. From a strategy perspective, it is clear the system is trying to combine indicator confirmation with adaptive position management, where entries are filtered first and then position scaling may occur depending on how the market develops afterward. Now, in terms of results, this is strictly historical backtest performance, so it is important to stay realistic here. Performance can vary significantly depending on things like broker conditions, spreads, execution quality, and especially how risk settings and lot sizing are configured. So this is why it is always a good idea to run your own extended testing as well, so you can see how it behaves under your own broker environment and preferences before considering anything live. So overall, the Chronos Algo appears to be a structured system built around multi-indicator confirmation and adaptive trade management. But like any EA, the real outcome will depend heavily on how it is configured and the conditions it is running in. So if you found any value in this video, or if you learned something new, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insight. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.